Assalamu alaikum friend, I'm 𝗪𝗵𝗿𝗲 and welcome to the Ocean of Knowledge YouTube channel. Today in this video I will talking about Pakistan new e-visa, which is tourist visa as well as business visa. If you want tourist visa, you can apply 3-month tourist visa, or if you want to travel for business purpose to Pakistan, then you can also apply 3-month of business visa. For this visa, you need to just 2 documents. First one is your passport clear scan copy, which is a bio page of the passport, and the second one is your wide background passport size picture. These 2 documents are mandatory. If you want to travel Pakistan and want to stay with some friends which is already Pakistani, so you need to provide us CNIC copy update first. If you don't have, no problem, you can provide us 2 documents, your passport first page and your picture. I will process your 3-month tourist visa or business visa, but it must be noted this visa will be approved within 24 hours. The processing time is mostly 24 hours. When your visa approved, it will start automatically from dates. So when you want to come Pakistan, so I strongly suggest you must apply 2 to 4 days before, and you can travel on that visa, and also the visa is not extendable. So it must be noted that the visa is not extendable. So these are all the details. So if you are interested, you can contact us, we will process your visa. So these are all the details, and I already record the Urdu version of this video. So these are all the details, and this is one of the easiest visa. This visa is for those only who want to travel Pakistan for 3 months, only for 3 months, for tourism purpose or business purpose. So depend on their purpose. So if you need, you can contact us, we will process it. Thank you so much.